How to fix Facebook you can't log in right now on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your Facebook. Then you will go to apps, the settings of your phone, sorry. Then when it's opening, just you will search now for Facebook app, and when you found it like this, just open it and scroll down and go to storage. And on storage, go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. Then click on OK, and that's it. Your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.